Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Two Souls and One Compass. That's gonna take some time to get used to. We just changed our name, as some of you probably noticed. And today I'm just gonna update you a little bit on what's gonna happen with the videos in the future ahead. There's a new sauna video coming up. We're gonna go swimming tomorrow in minus 10 degrees, as we do every year. So we gotta make a video. And as you know, we already planned our trip to Japan and Thailand. That's gonna be a massive project and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, follow us on this fun little adventure, and tell me what you think about our new name. And if there is any projects you want to see here from Norway, we would really like to hear from you, and also leave a comment down below. We're really excited to show you more of Oslo, but we need some ideas and what to bring. The weather at this point is not really great because it's quite dark. We're a little bit happy that today the sun is out, and that's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna take you on a little trip today around Oslo, just the main shopping street, show you some videos, some really basic stuff. So come with us on this fun little ride. Let's go. Sauna time tomorrow. Let's go. This is my playground, just in the back here. One of the coolest football stores here in Oslo. Let's go take a quick look inside. World Cup is coming up. End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. And if you want to share something, some ideas, what videos you want to like to see, just leave a comment down below. And See you on the next one.